Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set duration for events in your calendar on the Calendar by Fantastical application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on Settings, which is the last button in the left side column of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the New Events section and tap on Default Duration, which is set to 1 hour, but you can set it ranging from 0 to 3 hours. So tap on the relevant one, and if you go back by the help of this arrow at the top, you can also set the default calendar. So that's how you can set the default duration of events displayed in your calendar. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.